The Quran is the holy book of Islam. Muslims believe it is the word of God. It is a guide for life and teaches Muslims how to live. The Quran is very important to Muslims. They believe it is the final revelation from God. This means it is the last and most complete message from God to humanity. Muslims believe the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad over 23 years. The angel Gabriel brought the words of God to Muhammad. These revelations happened in Mecca and Medina, two cities in Arabia. Muslims recite the Quran in Arabic, the original language of its revelation. They believe the Quran's message is timeless. Its teachings are as relevant today as they were 1400 years ago. Muhammad was born in Mecca in the 7th century. He was troubled by the injustice he saw around him. He would often go to a cave called Hira to meditate and seek answers. One day when Muhammad was 40 years old, the angel Gabriel appeared to him in the cave. Gabriel commanded Muhammad to recite. This was the beginning of the Quranic revelation. Over the next 23 years, Muhammad continued to receive revelations from God. These revelations addressed a wide range of topics. They spoke about God, faith, morality, and law. Muhammad shared these revelations with the people of Mecca. Many were drawn to his message of monotheism and social justice. They became the first Muslims. However, Muhammad's message also faced opposition. Some people in Mecca rejected his call to abandon their idols. They persecuted Muhammad and his followers. Muhammad's followers memorized the Quran as it was revealed. They also wrote it down on pieces of parchment, bone, and other materials. After Muhammad's death in 632 CE, there was a need to collect all the verses of the Quran into a single book. This task was undertaken during the reign of the Caliph Uthman. Uthman formed a committee of scribes who had memorized the Quran. They compiled the verses in the order that is still followed today. This official version of the Quran became known as the Uthmanic Codex. Uthman's compilation ensured that the Quran was preserved in its entirety. The Uthmanic Codex became the standard text of the Quran throughout the Muslim world. The Quran has had a profound impact on Muslim society and culture. It is the primary source of Islamic law and ethics. It guides Muslims in all aspects of their lives, from prayer and fasting to family matters and business dealings. The Quran emphasizes the importance of knowledge, justice, and compassion. It encourages Muslims to be righteous, to help those in need, and to strive for a just and equitable society. The Quran's teachings have inspired Muslims to make significant contributions to art, architecture, science, and philosophy. Its message of peace, unity, and submission to God continues to resonate with millions of people around the world.